Hello and welcome to Whether or Not You Should Invest in LEGO 76422 Diagon Alley Weasley's Wizard Weezers. If you're new, please make sure to subscribe. This set was first released June 1st, 2023, meaning it'll have a runtime of about a year and a half by the time it retires, which is as you would expect for most LEGO sets. This set retails for £85, $90 or €95, and has been seen on sale about £68 on Argos, which it currently is at the moment. This set contains 7 minifigures, all of which are exclusive. However, they are just different variants slightly of what we have already seen in the LEGO Harry Potter universe. I reckon a 2 to 3 year hold on this set could see it go for about £130, which is quite a nice little return, especially if they continue doing Diagon Alley sets. Overall, this is a set for me to invest in. It's good, it's popular, and it's a good one to pick up on sale as it's a Argos and LEGO exclusive, so they're the only two places you will find it on sale. So that's going to be it for this video. If you're new, please make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.